Yeah, I hope everyone is doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly like and subscribe if you are new. In case you have any question, you can always comment and I will get back to you as soon as possible. So this is simple tutorial where I explain how to add multiple condition into single if condition of Power Automate desktop. For example, if I have this if condition, I have option to add something here and something here, and based on that condition get evaluated. So let's say I want to add multiple condition here, and based on that, I want to execute this. Here is how you can do it. First of all, let's declare two variables. Let's name it one, and here I put hello, and similarly declare another variable. Let's say I put hello, hi. Now what I want is basically I want to check if new variable one has hello and new variable two has hi, only then condition becomes true. So in this case, if I add if condition, I have option to add one here. I can do it like this. But then for the new variable two, I need to add another condition. So what I want is basically add both condition into this single condition. Check both of variable in this single condition as based on that one. So first of all, for this, what you need to do is select your first variable, okay, and let's say is equal to hello, then put and after that you can put your second variable. As my variable names are almost same, so I'm gonna copy paste it. I am gonna update a new variable 2 and I am gonna check if new variable 2 has high. If both of these conditions are true, this will generate true result as a true. And if any of condition is false, it will become false. So what I'm gonna do is uh, check if both of these becomes true. So I am gonna add true here, okay? And for testing, I am gonna add display message. Uh, let's say true found, okay? Let me add another condition as well in case for any condition is false. I want to display false found. Okay, something like this. So if I run this, it will check if new variable one is hello. If it's true, then it's check if new variable two is hi. If both are true, first condition get for this get displayed. So for example, if I change hello to hello world, as you can see in this case, variable two matches with hi, as variable two has hi, but variable one does not has hello only now. It has hello world. So if I run this, now this condition become false and else condition get executed. As you can see, else got executed and it's generating just message. Okay. Similarly, you can use another condition. Let's say you have new variable, for example, 3, and it is a high, high. It has high, high. So in this case, you can use something like this, and after that you can just copy paste it and generate new condition and make it like hi hi something like that. So you can do it like this. In case you have any question, kind of do let me know. Thank you.